Sweet endings.
Ah.
You're not living here unless you have something sweet.
I have a sweet tooth.
And you're a sweet tooth.
And I'm a sweet man.
And you're and you're so I have Chef Zoe. She's a pastry artist. She's a Bella V.
Okay.
Bella V actually in French it's French. It means beautiful life. So I'm putting you safely in the hands of Chef Zoe.
Hey, so.
Hi guys.
Hi, so. It's
So
good.
today I'll be making some blondies. So let's get started. I'm adding some melted butter to the bowl. Now I'm gonna add the sugar.
So, Zoe, to me this looks like a normal brownie. So, what is a blondie?
A blondie is very similar to a brownie, however, it doesn't contain any cocoa powder and it contains brown sugar to give you a caramel flavor. So now I'm just gonna mix this to combine. So now I have 2 eggs and this is room temperature eggs. I'm gonna add it one at a time. You just want this to combine. Good. So now I have my dry ingredients. And to these dry ingredients, we have some leavening agent, which is a little pinch of baking powder. I'm adding a pinch of salt. And I'm stirring this, and this goes in all at once.
I have a paper to take notes.
And now we just mix it to combine. So now we're going to add the flavoring, which is some vanilla essence. Now we have our Regal products. We have almonds, pecans, and walnuts. I've chopped up some here already, but I'm still going to add some of the pecans for that crunch. And this all goes in the batter. A little extra is some white chocolate chips. And you just stir. And that's it. This is our mixture. Here I have a greased pan lined with parchment. I'm just going to scrape this down. I'm going to get all the batter in the pan. There's a lot of textures there from the nuts. Just level the ends. This has to be baked in a 350 oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Now I have some here that's already done, and what I'm going to do is garnish this with some Regal icing sugar.
Okay. That's my sugar. It's amazing.
So I'm going to just put this again. Have a bowl, and you just want to gently sift this over the blondies.
See, that's where I come in.
Yeah. There's a drizzly over me and I.
See, balance.
And now you can try these.
Alright, I will take the smaller piece. Actually, let me get one for you.
Yeah.
You want a bigger piece? You said I was trying to be very nice and give. You know what?
I know. I actually wanted the one with the less ice and sugar.
Tiffany always this troublesome.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Zoe, thank you very, very much. Guys, Chef Zoe of Bella V. Zoe, thank you very, very, very much. Yeah.
Guys, nice to meet you. And I
Thank you.
enjoyed.
Looking forward, man.
Yes.
Pretty, we can't say we never had a blondie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey!
No, I mean,
They trying to set me up, or?
that's it for today. I want to thank Preedy for dropping by, and of course his beautiful wife, Tiffany. Guys, Mr. and Mrs. Chance, Tiffany, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Oh, it's been a pleasure.